Yes, good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the integration, some important problems on the integration. Before going to solve the problems on the integration, just we will recall some basic formulas on the integration. Now, in that first one is that integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then integration of dx is equal to x. Then integration of n dx is there if n is constant, means that is an nx. Okay. Now here we are keeping a c like this. After that, it is an indefinite integral. That's why it is an arbitrary constant. Okay, now next one is that integration of cos x is an sin x. Integration of sin x is an minus cos x. Then integration of secant square x is an tan x. All the formulas are the inverse of the differentiation. Okay, then integration of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus cot x. Then integration of secant x into tan x is equal to secant x. Then integration of cosecant x into cot x is equal to minus cosecant x. Then integration of dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to sin square x. Then differentiation of dx by 1 minus x square is equal to minus cos inverse x. Both are same. In terms of sin means sin inverse x. In terms of cos inverse means minus cos inverse x. Now integration of dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Same in terms of cos inverse means integration of dx by 1 plus x square is equal to minus cot inverse x plus c. Now integration of dx by x into root x square minus 1 is equal to secant inverse x plus c. Same way, 14 integration of dx by x root x square minus 1 is equal to minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Okay, then we will see some more examples. Next one is that integration of e power x is a e power x only. Then integration of 1 by x is a log mod x. Integration of a power x is an a power x by log a. Then integration of tan x dx is an log secant x. Integration of cot dx is equal to log sin x plus c. Then integration of secant x is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x. Then integration of cosecant x dx is equal to log mod cos x minus cot x plus c. Okay, these are some basic formulas to solve the problem. Now let me move on to the first one. Now integration of 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx is there. Now this I will separate this one. Integration of 2 by cos square x dx minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. Okay, integration of 2 as it is. 1 by cos square x is in secant square x dx. Secant square x dx minus here sin x by cos square x is there. Sin x by cos x is the tan x. Then 1 by cos x is left. Then that becomes secant x dx. Okay. Now two constant as it is. Integration of secant square x is then tan x minus 3 constant as it is. Integration of secant x into tan x is then secant x. Then plus arbitrary constant c. This is the value of this one. Now let's move on to the second one. This one. Integration of x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx is equal to. Now, this is we will solve on the basis of the substitution method. Now, first I will take as an x plus log x is equal to t. I will take. Now, differentiation of x is an 1. Differentiation of log x is an 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now, I will take an LCM x into 1, x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Now, here x plus 1 by x dx, what we can write? We can write as a dt. Okay, just I will substitute that one. Then x plus log x, what we can write? T, that is the t square. X plus 1 by x dx, what we can write? We can write it as dt. Now, next is equal to integration of, just we will keep an answer for that one. Now, integration of t square is an p cube by 3 plus c. What is the t value? X plus log x whole power 3 by 3 plus c. This is the value of this one. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Next one is that integration of x cube into sine of tan inverse x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 dx. This is also we will solve on the basis of the substitution method only. Now, what is the substitution we have to put? Then tan inverse x power 4 is equal to t. I will take. What is the tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. What is an x square is that? X value is the x power 4. Then whole square is x power 8. dx is equal to t. Sorry, again we have to differentiate here. Now, x power 4 is there. Again we have to differentiate. This is the composite function. Differentiation of x to the power of 4 is 4 x to the power of 3. Then dx is equal to d. Now I need an here x cube by 1 power x power 8 we need. Okay, that's what x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx, what we can write? dt by 4 we can write. Just these two values, this value we will substitute in the given integration. Then sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4, what we can take? T. Into that x cube by 1 plus x power 8, what we can write? That is a dt by 4. By 4 I will write outside of the integration. Then 1 by 4 as it is, the integration of sin x, otherwise sin t, is a minus cos t dt, plus c. Now minus 1 by 4 cos, what is the t value? T value is then tan inverse x power 4 plus c. This is the value of this integration. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Now, integration of e power 2x minus e power minus 2x whole divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx. Now, here just as I will substitute e power 2x plus e power minus 2x is equal to t. Now, I will differentiate e power 2x is a 2 into e power 2x. Here again differentiation of e power minus 2x is a minus 2 e power minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. Now I will take a 2 common here. E power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx is equal to dt. Now here in the numerator, what is there? E power 2x minus into e power minus 2x into dx is there. Just I will take, in this case 2, I will take right side. That is e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx is equal to dt by 2. Now, just I will substitute in the given integration, that is the e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx. What we can write? dt by 2. That is the dt as it is by 2. I'll write outside. Okay, now 1 by this is e power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. What are we doing? T. That is it. Then 1 by 2. What is the integration of 1 by t? That is the log t. Log of mod t plus c. Then 1 by 2 log, what is the p value? That is the e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. This is the value of this integration. Okay, this is some few problems on the integration. It is run just first two part. Just we will do same as it is 4 part as an integration part. Okay, now next two exercises we will solve in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Take care.